Sometimes you want to do two things on your phone at the same time. So you can watch videos while chat on Facebook or WhatsApp. Or you can open a website and copy-paste the location to the navigation app by keeping both apps on the split screen. In this video, I will show you how to easily set up split screen on your Android phone, so you can use two apps at the same time. Just follow these easy steps. Please note that your phone settings may have this slightly different depending on your manufacturer and Android version. You need to head to the recently used apps. You can do this by pressing the recent button to the bottom of the screen, or swiping up on certain phones if you have 3-key navigation disabled. This brings up your recently used apps, so you can easily return to something you were doing previously. To start split screen mode on Android, select this icon for the app you want to be on top, and select Open in Split Screen View. To open a second app, scroll through the list of compatible apps shown in the empty half, and tap the one you want to fill that part of the screen. The bar between the apps can be moved, so if you want one to be much smaller than the other, just press and hold on the divide and drag it until it's in the perfect position for you. Turning off split screen mode is even easier than turning it on. To get rid of one of the apps, simply press the black bar between the apps and drag it to the top or bottom of the screen, so the app you want to keep takes up the whole display again. If you want to close both apps, follow the instruction above to close the first one, and then you can close the other how you would any other app, by pressing the home button. If your phone does not have this feature, I will show you how to add split screen to your Android phone. Go to Play Store and install Split Screen Shortcut app on your phone. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.